So first, go ahead and put these into either wireframe, or I like to use X-ray because I feel like I can see all my faces as well. It looks like you've been rotating here. It looks like I can't tell what you did there. Okay, so the way this one is supposed to be set out, and I am maybe I'll start a new one. Okay, this one, I'm just going to place it over here. I don't want to use my I want to keep copies of all of my different pieces. So now I'm going to copy this one. Okay, now this one I want you to take the center point of the bottom, and I want you to place it on the midpoint of the back side of the triangle. And then this one, I'm going to move this one to over to the midpoint at the top. Then we have to rotate, like you're saying you're having an issue. So let me put this up here. You need to make sure your gizmo's running, okay? So you're going to go to your modify toolbar and make sure gizmo's on, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to select that cone, 3D rotate, okay? First thing it wants to know is where you want to rotate it from. So you're going to pick the tip of this cone, okay? If it's weird, it's move it. Okay, is your grid on? Oof. Okay, don't have your grid on. Okay, hold on. Turn that off. Okay, that's my problem. Okay, so 3D rotate. I want to use this endpoint. It's not letting me grab. This is great. Okay. I want it right here. Okay, it's not letting me pick it. So I'm going to change, oops, I want to change it to wireframe. And I'm just going to, I'm going to do 3D rotate. I'm going to pick that point, okay? Now, we need to rotate it. So if you see the green, that's the axis it'll rotate around. Okay, so I'm going to pick it, and then I'm going to put in 180. Okay, now you did that already, so you're good so far. Okay, but if I want to make sure the placement is right, then the next thing you're going to do is place this guy. Now, this one is also going to be placed right here at the base. Okay, now when you move it, you're going to do 3D rotate. Okay, you're going to select your object. You're going to want to go from this point here. Okay, now first you have to bring it up. Okay, so the first move we want to make is this one, and I'm going to bring it up 90. Okay, but I want this to be rotated at 45. So then I'm going to put in 3D rotate. Just like item again. I'm going to rotate it from here, and I'm going to use this axis at 45. And that should be it, I think. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay. Then the thing you need to realize is I want this to impact that cylinder, because what I want you to realize is you can subtract multiple things, because you need to have that divot in the bottom, because you need to subtract from the wedge and the cylinder. So when you go to subtract, you'll pick what you want to subtract from initially, and it'll be the wedge and the cylinder, and then enter, and then you'll select the pyramid, enter, and the pyramid will disappear, but you'll have this wedge taken out. So I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, just let me know.